Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to look at both the US dollar and versus the Canadian dollar, and also the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, both of which are maintaining and reinforcing intermediate term and short term bearish themes in here. So the dollar CAD, first of all, we had this rebound in here from the beginning of June, but the market having sold off previously in early June after the US employment report, and again from last week in here. If we zoom in here, a shooting star pattern back up here on Thursday, lower Friday, and again into here this morning into Monday, maintaining, reinforcing bigger picture bearish pressures from this whole sell-off from the beginning of the year, setting back from important resistance previously here, both in late May and early June, back from 132.18 and 132.96. Bigger picture going into the second half of June, we see deeper correction back down to the recent lows. We'll take a look at those shortly, zooming on the intraday chart, and then bigger picture maybe even into the summer, down to these much lower targets, 123.04, 121.27, 122.00. Zooming in on the intraday chart, shorter term in here, we're looking for a pushback down towards this 126.57, 51 area, and then maybe going into the second half of June down to 124.57. Moving on to dollar yen here, similar negative pressures but a far more defined and negative theme in here, evident since the end of last year. The impulsive moves that we've seen lower in here through 2016, reinforced last week, Wednesday, Thursday, through the FOMC and BOJ meetings in here, and despite a slight rebound effort going into the beginning of this week, bigger picture pressures are lower. And if we zoom all the way out now to the weekly chart, you can see the market took out this long-term target at 105.20. Real risk for lower targets, 102.20, 100.75, 100 maybe, as we go through the second half of June and on into July. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.